Good day everyone. So our topic for today is the basic principles of interior design. What is the principles of interior design? So the principles of interior designs are the rules and guidelines that designer follow to create functional, aesthetically pleasing spaces. So it kane the principles of interior design, it is the rules or the guidelines that designer are used to organize a space, so that is the both functional or the practical for everyday use and aesthetically pleasing, like looks good. So so for example, kuan, so kaning principles of interior design mao ni siya ang kanang guide, mao ni siya ang rules na ginasunod sa mga designer para sa kanang nga specific place is mapagana niya or na ay mga mapaayo niya og kuan design, mas mas gana lantawon or mas clean lantawon. So mao ni ang iyang gisunod. There are 7 main principles of interior design, which is the balance, unity and harmony, rhythm, proportion and scales, emphasis, contrast, and details. This concept can be applied to any room in your home, from living room to the bathroom. So kani nga principles is ma-apply nimo siya everywhere sa space sa imong house. And then I will going to discuss the principles of balance, harmony and unity, and rhythm. So the first one is the balance. Balance and design create a sense of stability by evenly distributing furniture and decor so that each area has equal visual weight. It is achieved by carefully placing elements and considering their line, shape, color, and texture to make the space look harmonious and well organized. So ang kaning balance kay one of the key principles of interior design, and it refers to even distribution of visual weight in a space, just like a physical balance keep you from falling, like kanang magtindog ka, like you are balanced. Then visual balance makes a room feels stable, comfortable, and harmonious. So as you can see sa picture, makita nimo nga duha ka lights, duha ka chairs, and then ang iya pong background, which is the shape niya, and then the color is also balance, and then the flower balance. So as you makita jud nimo sa picture nga balance jud siya, it because og mura siya bitog samin og imo siyang putulon sa tunga, mura ra siya samin ing ana ang balance. And then there are 3 types of balance: the formal, informal, and radial. So the first one is the formal balance or the symmetrical balance. So symmetrical balance is achieved by mirroring elements on both sides of a room, creating a classic and orderly look. So as you can see in the picture, makita nimo nga balance jud siya kay nadiri anay kanang nay sofa sa atmang pud niya na apod, and then dito pud sa iyang sa likod nay makita nimo dito nga kanang bookshelf ata ni, and then napoy sa pikas, and then ang kaning lamp napoy iya diri sa pikas, and then the table. So as makita jud nimo siya nga balance jud siya, mao na siya ang gitawag nga symmetrical or formal balance. So makita ka na makabalo na ka ay kuan nilang gamit ani kanang formal balance kay makita ra gyud siya sa picture. And then the next one is the asymmetrical or informal balance. Asymmetrical balance uses different elements such as lines, colors, shape, and texture to create equal visual weight without exact duplication. It more feel relaxed and dynamic than symmetrical balance. Because this is when object on either sides or a space are identical but still have equal visual weight. So for example kaning sa picture makita na ay big sofa din and then ay black nga single sofa which is same lang siya og weight I mean height and then kuan kanang gibagayan ra gihapon niya it because sa iyang colors and then sa iyang textures. Kay as you can see diri sa isa ka sofa na siya yung mga details and then diri sa isa is plain lang siya which is gana lang gihapon siya lantawon and then sa iya pong colors. So this type of kuan kanang design is feel more dynamic and interesting while still balanced. So the next one is the radial balance. Radial balance is achieved when there is a central focal point with other elements radiating from or around it. So kaning radial balance it kuan. This happens when elements are arranged around a central point. For example, kaning nasa tunga sa lamesa. Mao na siya ang focal point and then da kanang mga kuan mao na ang nagpabalance sa iya ha. Pwede pod ning suga sa babaw, pwede pod na mao ni ang focal points. Mao tas and then kaning naglibot sa iya ha, mao ni ang kanang kanang mga elements na around sa ilang sa central points. So gana siya lang tawon kay najud siya sa tunga. In short, sa radial balance na siya gibasihan sa tunga. Next is the unity and harmony. So unity and harmony are closely related principles that focusing making a space feel cohesive and complete rather than disjointed or chaotic. They ensure that all the elements in the room work together and support the overall design theme. Then the unity. So there is a unity. It is about the consistency and connection among all elements in space. It makes the room feel like a single integrated whole rather than a collection of random items. So unity can be achieved through color scheme using similar or complementary colors, materials and texture, choosing fabric, furniture and finishes that match the style, keeping furniture and decor in a consistent style like modern, tradition, minimalist, etc. So as you can see sa picture, makita nimo ang kanang pag-blend sa color which is na-emphasize niya ang brown it because white ang iyahang kanang gitibo niya ang white and the brown which is gana siya lantawon kay kuan kanang nag-use man siya og complementary colors which is katong kuan sa color wheel siya nagbase kay bali wala lang siya nagpataka-taka og pili og colors nga kuan which is gana siya lantawon kay nagpili siya og kuan white and brown and then the furniture also kanang grabe ka detail sa iyang mga furniture and then kanang murag naabitaw jud siya deep meaning every furniture. So in unity it is the everything belongs together. Unity, everything belongs together. Mo na ang masabot ana. Unity is seen the consistent color palette and materials. So let's proceed to harmony. So here in harmony is about blending different elements together smoothly so that they feel pleasing to the eye. While focusing on consistent harmony focuses on how well different parts of the room related to each other. You can create harmony through repetition, repeating color, shape, or pattern throughout the room. Proximity, grouping related items together, and then transition using a gradual changes in color, size, or texture to create area. So as you can see here in the picture, makita nimo nga medyo dark siya ang colors nga iyang gipili, and then wala niya gi parisan og mga lighter colors sa wala niya gi parisan og lighter color, which is na gana siya kay gikuan raman niya ang gi-emphasize niya nga dark room ra siya, and then na mga gray, and then ang furniture niya is kuan siya, ang furniture is parihara og design, and then also the pattern. So as you can see in the picture, makita ninyo nga same lang siya pattern, and then same color, and then parihara jud siya. So ug maingon ta og kuan, so ug maingon tag harmony, everything looks good together. So mo na imong hunahon nga ang harmony is mao na siya ang everything looks good together. So ug mo magpili kag color nga ana, imo na hunahon nga og mag-combine man kibali ka og color, imong hunahon nga og bagay ba siya ipares. Mao na siya ang sa harmony. So, again, ug maingon ta og unity, it is the everything belongs together, and then the harmony is everything looks good together. Next is the rhythm. So rhythm is in interior design, works like rhythm in music. It creates visual flow. It is achieved by repeating elements such as shape, colors, or pattern, or by using progression, transition, and contrast. These techniques guide the eye smoothly around. So these principles create a sense of movement and flow in a space. So as you can see in the picture, makita niyo sa inyong sofa nga mura ra siya kanang nag-repeat lang bitaw siya with flow na siya rhythm, and then guiding the eyes naturally from a point to another. Di ba parihara diri sa pinakauna hangtod sa tumoy, parihara jud siya design. Just like the music has rhythm to keep it flowing, a room uses visual rhythm to make dynamic and interesting rather than static or chaotic. Kay tan-awa ang picture ang naa sa likod nga mga picture, colors, it is the repetition of colors nga makita nimo sa iyang dingding diri sa kilid. So dili ma-shock ang mutan-aw ana nga picture, it because naa na siya sa kilid, na siya kanang repetition. So in short, rhythm is the flow of design element that guides the eye and create movement. So mulantaw manggod kaning na diri sa kuan kay colors mura siya og mga murag makakuan sa imong maka-attract sa imong eyes nga ga-move siya, especially ang ang kaning sofa, makita nga mura siya ga-move. So that's all. Again, the 7 main principles are the balance, harmony, rhythm, proportion, skills, emphasis, contrast, and details. What I discuss are the balance, unity and harmony, rhythm, and rhythm, and the rest will be discussing by other person. So that's all for listening. I hope you learned something. By the way, my name is Alysa Madelo. Thank you for watching.